Oh, that's mommy bribery. That's mommy bribery. There comes. You lick mommy on the lips. She comes behind bribery.
Oh boy.
Behind. Stop, baby. Stop. I said stop. Stop. Yeah, and? What? Yeah, Like, I'm supposed to do what with that kind of information? Come. Come on. Come. You don't eat nothing more. Don't eat nothing more. Go and put on this. Stop. Looks like you're irritated. You go. Shit. Sit here. Sit. You get your fucking tail in it. Hold on. Stop. You get your tail in it. Your tail is in it. Come. You're not gonna do it here again? Have your tail. Yes, you gotta lie down. I'm just gonna put on your pampers. Your tail came out! Stop! Oh my god. Stop. Stop. This is so difficult to do. And wherever you go, and whatever you do, I'm putting this on you tonight. Yes, mommy, yes. You're putting it on. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, it's kind of big, but it has to work. Come. Come here. It doesn't work like that here. Okay? It doesn't work here, so mommy, it doesn't work like that. You need to stop.
I gotta tell you something. You're gonna know how you talk to my daughter. Yeah? She's a baby.
I'm about
and
to
you
lose my
say you
mind.
want her, you have to be patient with her, yeah? And stop shout off her. You have to go spread something on the rug and them thing because anything was soft, them are go think of grass and them are go shit on it. Them not go do it up on the tile and none of them thing there. Me tell you that. You have to spread out some newspaper or get something special which you can poop on. So tomorrow you have to get that. And don't scare her like that. Big head. She's just a baby. Bye.